Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm preparing lasagna. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'd like to pause right here to greet my people. Hello out there. To my members, God bless you. To my returning subscribers, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, God bless you too. You are welcome. To those of you who just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell, select all, so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Work with whatever type seasonings you have in your pantry today. This is yours. God bless you. Now, if you want to use the sauce in the jar, feel free. My stomach cannot take the acid, so I'm working this with the tomato paste. God bless you. If you were with me from the start of this channel, you would know that my tomato paste, once it's opened, is kept in the freezer. God bless you. Remember, family, my recipes are not gospel. Please feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you. Yes, I added a little oregano off camera. God bless you. Family and friends, whatever type cheese you want, whatever type you have, you work with what you have. God bless you. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to donate to this channel to keep us current, there is a super thanks button below this video. Also, there are links in the description box below. Join our membership and enjoy free perks today. God bless you and continue watching. By the way, family, I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Okay, now if you have a lasagna dish with the cover, you use that. God bless you. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? If you're new to this channel, my name is Melda, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to tap the bell button below so that you'll be notified of every video I upload. And if you just subscribed, welcome to our family. Thank you for watching. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.